The movie industry where it is now, are you okay with how the movie industry is at the moment?
If you say that to yourself, or if we think it's okay, then we are being complacent. I have had the opportunity to work in some other foreign industries. I realized that we need to work more to improve on our skills. But in fact, all in all, I think we have stories.
Yeah,
Especially Kumawood has stories.
especially Kumawood.
Kumawood has stories.
Okay.
Lovely stories, well created. But sometimes the way we treat the stories for the stories to come out into reality,
That's
that's
the
where the
problem.
problem is.
So right now, if the government comes to you that Kofi, please, can you give us any idea that can help us improve the movie industry? What will you tell the government?
Your friend Poleeno, the only app I open say they send this car Eco Ghana, now UK, or Canada, or US, Germany, Netherlands, or Italy, or Ireland, or Spain. The catch you download the Lemfi nefa send this car Eco Ma Ebusuya for wherever you find yourself. Lemfi say or download there, which mean the send this car Eco Ma Ebusuya for instant or send the next cano Akoka or more inside or bank account and as mobile money. Or download the app on now the send this car or watch be out the amount. Kai so be use promo code Poleeno Poleeno abra obebisa say referral code no say we use we are na say o send this £50 ekwa omo ebecha £10 so also na o US and Canada so now send above $100 obecha $20 o Europe countries to say Germany, Netherlands, Spain, Italy and they can ho na and so o send €50 Lemfi say obecha €15 cashback pay na opede o send so a Lemfi say yente wo he bank and as mobile money so Lemfi is secure and reliable rate no so check all the other apps I download the Play Store and iOS Lemfi umpewe na opede download the Lemfi na kai say Poleeno me na me ka shiro.
Well, great people, yeah, we na kwaba eba Anansi Chrome somewhere Konongo. Ya sanso aba Katumba said so Katumba ye na Fako Films chinchine twan adwuma oya ya bon ho the road. Na ya sanso aba set so na ya du ha na say so mo shebush ha baby. Na uba Anansi Chrome a obo ho ponko white e fe ne Hana. Aha, so ho Hana bra. Hana. Aha, nti ye fe ponko we Hana. Ponko no de osi we ni ye stop bompa de white one nan ba ko na se no. Osi ponko no bia kala bia ne de kire. White one say no so mo mpefi. Ha omo no mo mpefi. Omo ye ponko bia omo nya basabasa. Omo ye righteous. Nti hu ponko bia no ye white a. Na o ye white as a black omo no so e wo na ni meaning no ho no. Fuma e kire sane ma ni nyina. Nti no Hana no ponko we de Hana. Ana de o ko ne fe ne Elvis. The one anyone you find Elvis black brown into your koyene your Chinese man enenam is on no ye wa ha yebudo ah eja okuteja antino ye ko ne akwa akohwe baby a location e wo chinchina atwa adwuma ne baso Katumba, one of the best movies are hit the screens no no until watch out for Katumba you go so I think so what have for about a week now week now. I think so this is the third time. I say fourth time I ever remember. Yeah, you know, yeah, ko baby or more a jumano. A higher Anansi Chrome, a Konongo, the Okasoba Nancy Chrome, and Oko Google Map and so Okasoba a Anansi Chrome Konongo, Anansi Chrome community. Edo Ebeli do Edo Abaha Street. Wait me Abaha so ultra movie, I bet me Abaha Beji Edia. Bibia when you kasa was a bino. Etimi ba no be support o mo kono why in village say no na ban no so kakra de ba be support o mo no na de be support na etimi abo ma yenya more film villages e wo Ghana nti ye ko we any grade 1 efo na abanga the Chinese man why ni hao ni sana le laban was it what shenzai anasikrom na no just say abana anasikrom okay next Chinese ka say one shenzai anasikrom na say abana anasikrom oh eh ni sana ale okay me mebusa so wo he na wo ka say
And I may say, was Shenzai Anansi Group.
almost wadima te Chinese kasa echen o
Okay, so far, any pan me minimum idea. And I mean, Nisha 101. Bia ye din koma obi abete ne ho ase.
Chinese kasa mkache wadimaya say kasa yenka Chinese pa dia ontimi ne wonka Chinese kasa.
Okay, di enti a mintimi nka ne sa ne se me se me nini nhia ida. But metimi ne na kasa se me nso mete China kasa no se de bia ono wote no.
Inti kache say won so no wote China kasa no say no wote wadimaya kasa Chinese.
Okay, Wadumaya, wapure nzini. Kangan your Papa Jigi was so high. Your Iga Haren, Tires, who short to Lee High. Or Meji Angoni, why is it who short to Lee High? Or Jeda eating or me Jamiana.
Chinese kasa no kind of simple abanga no.
I can say, maintaining Kanda by any that who born in Nidia Chilemi. Inti yes, we had the power to China Casa Nipa, Menso me Manati as a Menso Metepa, but one day this year. Yes.
Okay. All right, so you know, abanga ono I say Chinese kasa no. Why hello you kind of phone so and ni how no just at saying I na confusing call for pa true.
So bia do so te China Casa bia way hello way hello.
All right.
Ni how at the same.
Well, Charlie San friend because ya yera baby ye hunu baby o mo ho na ye ko so baby a kitchen bi wo no ene ye ko ye gusua enam eye Anansi Krom ha nyina ye location ni bia and o ma yeti ase se oba ha ye wo motia e wa around motia wa around into unama so very careful and that's what chere motia baby a motia mo de o mo na etia no o chere ni nyina ntino you say ye ko baby a omo ye adwuma no ankasa na ya kwa kwhwe niam ekoso on set Anansi Krom aha Poleeno Multimedia me the first papa je o send this ba Ghana try say obe use lemfi no be use e send this eba Ghana into Play Store, Apple Store, download the Lemfi app never send this never ebra Lemfi o send this e cashback use promo code Poleeno Lemfi best so normal cashback with me da komo so and as a bank account so free until she Lemfi Play Store, Apple Store, na download the Lemfi app on this year. Yeah, call baby a Katumba, the most awaited movie na Fako Films at the air banner. Katumba. Let's go. Hannah, bruh. Hannah. Even Hannah. Hannah. On a stubborn. So often you do baby a adwuma no ekoso ankasa Katumba and I can see the legendary Kofi Adjorlolo ewa ha Franca ewa ha Adoko man. Okay, action how do you be tesu kakra. Are when kan ho ana enka ho bi when kan ho unya otita unya no so kan unya na ke kama fa boss na ka sa me ka say eka ho bi na nka action no into what ya to ankasa enka ho bi oh okay so these are hassles are omo ya omo ka ene de fuma na ankasa atwa bi fuma na ankasa atwa bi oh afa na o hwa de ti wa hwa bet matna hwa so ma hwa akwa ko se wa ha o Into when they what ya to encasin no. But otito ye no enke betimi dia ka ho na yefe o. Ko otito ye no kwa yefa so asafro. Na nka action. Director. Sampoa. Kurana sia mafia pa. Kurana sia osaka no. Ene de aban ma me pick up ma me de ba enti no. Chesa wo ye adwuma wo ye adwuma. Sa musa kwetimi ye. Ene de aban hu ye no se me ba ha de o ma me pick up. Enti me de pick up ne ba.
Ene da current abayasi. Da current abayasi. E papa GM. Ananya ono.
Me say aban me mo bi.
And GM no no.
Mpacho GM ma me hwe.
Papa GM.
GM ma me hwe why. Is it day 7 no?
And day 7.
Oh, na say mo bo week wa ha.
Oh, a week pepe.
Okay. Ebe san to aso na
aka 13 days.
Oh, 13 days.
Aka 13 days.
Katumba.
Still shooting Katumba.
Adwuma na edin na adwuma particular na edin because me hu say why adwuma bia kobush akwhye wa che say bisa
Oh, yeah, adwuma we edin. Edin pa do you spending more than days na spending we but we no. I know edin. I know edin. Yeah.
So director some power no. Na oni oni ponko ni twida da na asa ano ba no besua.
Oh yeah there. So on you should have fun say adwuma wa be. Yeah, we horseman we teach man.
Oh okay.
Need na basini.
Okay. Ono aso na say costume ni nyina.
Yeah.
Ono mesha na bon komo pa because
design ni na ono na ye bia.
I want for adwuma no, mo pa adwuma tie ne ntem na ye mfa nkoto na ye hu bebia.
It's just when chebe bin. Yanko. It's just when chebe bin.
That's the director for Katumba, director Sampower. Aye, director Sampower. I don't know. Na baby oteto ye no, ko ye word san sori tena so anka be ma sina ye fe pa. Ko teto ye na no ko ye fa no sa huri tena so a. Enka be ma sina ye guy pa.
Say the Africa sort of.
Say the Africa sort of. Chama. Is it oh there ye be ba so.
Yo, come on into.
We drone to meet me na kasa.
We do and we emphasize no. Oh ye heard it. Ye fa ni nyina. Ye actually we hear. Aha. Ponko ni Evans. Ana nipa na Evans. And also when you seat ni be too so they want to ponko no so. Ah yeah. Aha. I say me o shwa. Shwa no so. Ebe pa shwa no so niam wo. Katumba. Action ekono. But I am a speed mrem. So come speed bem. Na Franca okay Franca. Adoko mama. The legendary Kofi Adjorlolo. And so ewa ha. You didn't catch up. Any attack. I'm busy. Ever me lofia. Fike. Efo.
For.
Can we be joining? Adwuma no. I'm not from Monkasa.
Rakula ka do akwame.
Edo. Oh, Milaji.
So for how many days the quality?
5 days.
5 days. Ta uperule nyeka.
Hunter.
Ta wonya hunter.
You know.
Ta ategere boss idea.
Hunter in Mala house.
Ta to ko ya chuda po.
Nya magra bush ko ka akrantie plan mo.
Okay.
Mami Musa, who's a legend there? Who is a movie man? It's a movie no air strong. But who study script and read the script and how did you say it?
Minchiti.
Untiti.
Minchiti. Papa.
Won't teach you, Papa. Like I'm talking about the script, the whole script, on Saka script. You went through the script, and
Definitely, I did.
yeah, and how did you see the whole story?
Yeah, that's why I'm here, because when I read the script and the script is good and I love it, that's when I accept to work.
Okay.
So knowing that the script was good, I accepted to work. And meantime too, because the director, I've worked with the director for so many times, knowing what he can do.
Did you share any idea so far the story is concerned? Did you see anything that you said, oh, Sampawa, I think we can go this way, we can come this way?
Of course, we do such things, especially when we're on set, and then like this scene that you just witnessed, we had to sit down to see how we can play it, not to for it not to be too complicated, and so we did it. That's what we normally do.
This particular movie, the title Katumba, is it okay because this is a Ghanaian movie and the title sounds a bit not Ghanaian?
Well, you see, sometimes when we're writing stories, we have stories that are, in fact, some stories are futuristic. Some stories are like, as we have drama, novel, whatever. To write a story using names and characters, you can actually come up with a name created,
Okay.
by yourself. So like Katumba, this particular director, when he's writing his stories, some of the names that come in the story or in the film, it sounds. I remember I did one with him, Zengar or something like that.
Zenga, oh, okay.
Something like that, yes, and it was quite nice. So with Katumba, it's part of it. It's very marketable. It's a name that is very catchy, and so it makes it very marketable.
Doing it in Tree and in English, which one do you prefer that will sell Ghana very, very well? Tree or English? This particular movie.
Well, in this particular, we are all speaking Tree. We are all speaking Tree. So I had to have somebody always with me to give me some directions, especially with the proverbs and whatever. So that's it. I'm not too good with the Tree, but they're helping me to do it.
I won't take much of your time because I know you are still working. Let's see, the movie industry where it is now. Um, are you okay with how the movie industry is at the moment, so far as Ghana's movie industry is concerned?
You see, as far as sector, industry is concerned, there is nothing like, oh, it's okay. If you say that to yourself, or if we think it's okay, then we are being complacent. You get me? Then we are being complacent. But so if you are doing something, you don't say, oh, it's okay. So that's it. Now that we all feel it's not okay, it means we need to work harder. Personally, I think we can do more to get this industry to where it must be. I have had the opportunity to work in some other foreign industries, and I realized that we need to work more, yeah, to improve on our skills and the strategies that we use, especially when it comes to marketing our films and distributing them. So that's where I think we are lacking. But in fact, all in all, I think we have stories. Especially Kumawood has stories.
Especially Kumawood.
Kumawood has stories. Lovely stories, well created. But sometimes the way we treat the stories for the stories to come out into reality, that's where the problem is. Yes.
The problem is it from the directors, the actors? Where exactly can we blame?
Well, you can't blame directors, you can't blame actors, because as for actors, they are actors. Cameramen, we have. But what I'm talking about is sometimes the lack of, you have skill, but all of us need to update our skills. So if we don't update our skills, and if we have skills and you don't, update your skills or improve on your skills, and you feel complacent with your skills, then I think that's quite negative.
So we are here with the legendary Kofi Adjorlolo. And like I say, any movie you see our legend in, that means that movie is really a very nice movie. They should watch out for Katumba. So right now, if the government comes to you, that Kofi, please, can you give us any idea that can help us improve the movie industry? What will you tell the government?
Oh, well, it depends on what particular um, uh, section that they want to have my ideas or my inputs. Film is very vast. You know, we have photography, we have the writing, we have the acting, we have so whatever we have the marketing. So whatever it is that they will need me to do, if they call on me, I'll have to put in my best because this is an industry I love. If you can imagine, I've been doing this thing for so many years and I'm still on it. So I think if I'm invited to come in with some inputs, I will freely do that. Freely do that.
So this project, we are all praying that it will get to the international movie platform like the Amazon, Netflix, and other things. Do you personally, do you have anything that you can do for this particular movie to get to that level?
Or even my presence in the movie alone is enough. My presence in the movie is enough. So, but if I need to do anything more, and my director or the producer needs me to come up with some help, well, I will do it for them.
Thank you very much, legendary. We are still here, so
But I said something. It was a joke.
oh, okay.
Like when I said Michiti.
Yeah, okay. Oh, I know.
Mitichi.
We know.
Because as Ankanya sa, Ankaza
Thank you for speaking
Thank
to
you
us.
too. Nice
All
one.
right, so we are here with them, and yeah, mama behind the scenes, Nika legend, they have to the or yeah, Jumanti, Yakasi, Yajan Kasa, or Hana, ya time to be so. We are having here call back to Anansi Krum. Katumba, watch out, is coming out massively. Very nice story with the best characters for this particular movie. And the part I mean, the horse is no woman. Yeah. Hey. All right. You know, Nizan Allen on a bodyguard. No. A bodyguard. No. Hey, Franca, where you when yana? I said, who? I said, who person be back camera now? Oh, rare. Not that echo. Now, since we saw what set now, what sounds to the hospital. There is here. I don't know. Me who here.
Maybe I read.
Obe yare was set so. Wetin be twa movie no asa yare. And then eduane ono udi ana nsu ano mo ya na say environment
Me na me ye reference nti no.
environment ne no body ne mfa.
Me ye sure there.
Eh sa.
But I say me okay.
Eno ho afa.
I say me ho afa.
You say adwuma no exception bi ba na o ne legend Kofi Adjorlolo. Odi ene no movie no.
Pacha me papa.
Oh, okay. Niame o na actor da.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So far we hear story na niame ko sen.
Egusi ucha ekoboko.
Because you many wo pa. Once na say me allo jingle bi ma. O say adwuma na u push ni say.
Jingle no see the A1 pa A1.
Adwuma dey say mun give her my best. Until next time you gonna movie awards and you pay best female actress na Franca Waje ana.
Pacha no ana.
Obejama mi.
Oh, Majama.
All right, titi ya ha ya ko egusa didi nkomo e wo setting so. I don't come man. We drone shots into yetimi kasa fetch. Na your costume na everything is on point. Costume no say movies are more na Ghana no anodin. And I hope DOP camera guys no Ghana who dress no one free Iliade a na is asamato. E o senior obetwa no na obehu no. Iliade uba no so gina sense sina no de. Iliade was why acho. How many years no?
Yeah, che. Na me we share how many years?
Yeah, acho. Somewhere around 2008 mu ho ba bi o. Me boa. You can start that o.
Na me um dada. Say my first movie I produce kwa me na me try.
Me sa brampa. Me can be a producer. I must say me password on.
Producer kese o tua ka no kwa na e che we 10 days sen.
Yes.
Omu time no de na omu tua pa na one camera. Ano e she. Of our stars that time. No for big star le we money now also. 2008. Hey. Eyan grow.
So marketers na mo
be fa. E be fa e guso.
Also, Elias, you know, they say only a human in the Nina, Wabia. Elia Bano. Oh, okay, marketing here. Elia Bano. Usua camera.
I'm sure permanent you want to tell me can
It was Usua because one are the best. To Suani. Fantastic. And a Gaff Mali. Gaff Mali is in a fly drone. Ponkona across on your nice. Gaff Mali is a fly drone. Okay. Oh, my fan. Now for Ponkoda, oh, magic. Oh, for Ponkoda.
What's it?
For Ponkoda.
Ponkoda me from the beach.
When you beach, then you be.
And you be when you beach, when you news.
So we are on the set Katumba and I Kosono. Rolling! Ready? Papa, you on the sound. Attack Grand Gray.
Papa,
you must wire you.
Papa, na be any day.
No pen correct mom show us now on your America.
Papa, enkura ne de no kwasem ye ba kupe. Omu etu, ba obi aso ye adwuma wo ba.
Oh, okay. So almost
Papa.
Did you wire for how many years?
Oh, Mr. Okay, me real film industry mu that was 2007.
Oh, okay.
But me started as MA crew work now 2009.
Hey.
And I'm starting crew work because me started from production assistant. And I'm the bar light, and I'm feeling light bar sound. But I'm the sound with the 10-12 years in a Mokura sound.
Does it sound very comfortable sound?
Oh, Father Mbacho.
Attack Grand Grind. Oh, person, oh, yes, sound. Pe move your sound, the mood, the hopper. Attack Grand Grind. Moko. I mean, the old child drone in chain. Oh, no, so Gaff Mali. Moko. So we the more ya mon fa sound on.
There we have sound.
To say can you hear can you never da see na.
You be cost studio ko creating nyum the be esefata ponko no nantie no na ya dia no. Mo bra biom.
Nte bia kikra na beat bi da say. Ponko sunu. Obebre o mre say.
Dale mo bra na enko biom ase we.
Mo bra. Na ponko we so na mo ha adwen pa o. Na whatever the password. And casino. Password. And casino. Ponko do how much pa? I don't go. Is it trans so fan ko kwetana so. When I stubborn no, Ponko so stubborn pa or no. Fuma, oba we no stubborn. Ana wa mama fan twa.
Aboa hwe wo manimo no wa akwane so wo bopani ye no wa yini afrim na shame won kan wo so
Eso ni nemu mo fa ni sheme so bi obetwa e bi afa di obetwa obe ha dwe ni a obe ha dwe ni a ene mo nchechire na mo nchechire ponko no Kisa ponko ba kono stubborn nti o ma se si we ni etwa no ye nya ntwa sa ponko na o stubborn ya eno o ma kana sama che o stubborn
ebi san o mo se afi no mo train wo
ono sa ponko no ono o stubborn na ni ade
nti wotina o mo so kura o kan yes on fa na o do ni nam we jimi tu
afi no mo tena mo so
afi na wotina say ye do mo kom
Gaff Mali say onso adwuma why for how many years
o jima mi ntwantra me ye be 25 to 30 years
25 camera nko
when I started cassette time when I started from cassette super VHS time and so they do HD HD so small mini tapes and send they buy SD cards
him find na dey adwuma akọ
adwuma yi dey me started fi Accra what I say tama Jackie appear more fresh ni na yanu ma na through adwuma we dey etutu kwan kakra yetima ko France akoye adwuma akotwa movies
Europe akoye adwuma
akoye adwuma the graft you born a young conference could try movie be any Jackie appear in na ya boa.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And sana Sierra Leone makɔ Sierra Leone akɔyɛ adwuma
Okay.
any Gambia.
Sierra Leone, Gambia, and Europe.
Yeah.
It's over. Akora ben watching the Juma Power industry. Ma, what you say? Wako pensioner. Akora dia miniwa monfano me nyadwuma ne bisisi a monkofa ne nyadwuma.
Oka akwala na
Enkwara.
akwala omodoso omoje me wa Osman Kofi KFM ni Malaika nkɔfo bebree omodoso
Gaf Male and so eno no me ba gaf also betwa ba ko bi chami o. Gaf Male. All right. Take care. Now. Bona mo. Yeah, obi e pra yenko